Good afternoon, fellas. Good afternoon, everybody. So, welcome to Auto Reviews. Today we are going to review the all-new Tata Tiago NRG, and this actually brings a lot of energy from the old Tiago to this new version. And well, don't get surprised when you see this key of the new Tiago NRG, because now we have a keyless entry and the option of a smart key in the Tiago all-new NRG. So, আজকে আমরা কথা বলবো on all the entire specifications and all the reviews and details that we need to know about for buying a new Tiago NRG, and how is it better than the old Tiago, and what are the benefits if you are actually going to choose a compact sedan. I mean, not a sedan, actually a small hatchback in this line. So how is it better in all respect? So let's start the video.
Is it okay if I'm to say I'm catching feelings from all the dealings? Am I astray? What do you say? How are you feeling? Is it the same? I hope you're not planning to waste my time. To my surprise, that was her reply. Now we vibe. It's been a while and such a ride, our stars align. I love the fact I didn't let her go. She loves the fact that I just let her know. Now we're together, it's a different mode. We getting crazy in a different road. I love the fact I didn't let her go. She loves the fact that I just let her know.
So once we start for the description of the Tiago NRG, the first thing I would like to highlight is the all new feature that we have received in the Tiago for the first time. Now Tiago is getting a start-stop engine. We never saw a start-stop function on Tiago anywhere down the line in the future. So this is the main new key feature of the Tiago NRG. So now what happens when we have this smart key, you actually don't need to take your keys out of your pocket. Just keep the keys in your pocket, get in the car, the sensor selects you, and start the engine, and then you're ready to go. আর এর সাথে সাথে আমরা পেয়ে যাচ্ছি all those features যেটা Tiago top end model পাওয়া যায়. So starting with, we have this beautiful looking 7.8-inch Harman Kardon music infotainment. This gives you an access for all the necessary things that you need, from Android Auto to Apple's CarPlay, from setting your Bluetooth, and also you can see your reverse parking camera, I mean your rear camera, even while driving front by just pressing this button. So you have the easy access to see your car rear, and also the easy access to start your car and move. And basically this is not the end, this is just the tip of the iceberg when we start talking about Tiago NRG, because this is an absolute mile munching car for all the Indian customers. So I'm very sure when we take you outside, you're gonna love the car the way it looks. So let's take you out.
Okay.
Now, ladies and gentlemen, the first thing which we notice immediately on this new Tiago NRG is this design statement. If we see, we have this fiber body cladding. Gone are those days of body colored bumpers. Now we are getting this beautifully looking skid plates. Now iski fayde bahut hai, और this ground clearance which you are seeing is gone higher by 11 meters. So now Tiago NRG is scoring the ground clearance of 181 millimeters. This is the highest in this segment. जितने सारे compact hatchbacks है अभी market में, all the starting hatchbacks have never received such a high ground clearance. So the ground clearance is one big factor that makes the Tiago NRG go a bit off-road. It gives you that extra confidence that you can take your car a bit off-road. You can do your regular day-to-day city drive, but you can also take this car on highways, go to hills, and just have fun with wherever you go with this beautiful looking new striking red color on the new Tiago NRG. Now the first thing which we see is a request sensor. Now we all have seen this request sensor in a lot of high-end cars, because it does come in the high-end cars. इस दाम की गाड़ियों में आती नहीं है. So you have this option of locking your car with the help of this key, and unlocking your car with the help of this button at the same time. And once we see this beautiful side view of this new NRG, you would immediately notice this fiber bumper claddings. अभी इसका फंक्शनबिलिटी बहुत है, बिकॉज व्हेन यू आर गोइंग ऑफ रोड, यू नो स्टोन्स टेंड टू हिट योर बॉडी, और इफ दिस इज योर बॉडी कलर तो ये बॉडी कलर को डैमेज करता है. सो दिस प्रोटेक्ट्स योर बॉडी कलर, दिस प्रोटेक्ट्स योर कार फ्रॉम गेटिंग एनी मेजर इम्पैक्ट, एंड ऑल्सो इट गिव्स यू दैट टफ रोडर लुक, so that you know you can experience a whole lot a new lifestyle with this beautifully designed Tiago Energy. So the wheel size has gone higher from the lower trims. It's a 15-inch wheels, not a alloy. These are not alloys, don't mistake it for alloys. These are steel rims with duo cast covers on top of it, but the wheel size are same. Now we get the rear end. Immediately on the first glance you notice the difference. That beautifully fiber cladded, stating the energy tag out here. You have the Tiago badging, and the most highlighted feature, if we see this section in all the Tiagos, we have noticed a place where we can put in your keys and then remove your button and the boot lid, but no, gone are those days. You can just press this button. This is a magnetic boot opener, so we just press this to unlock the boot. And the Tiago Energy welcomes you with a 242-liter boot space, which is the biggest in this segment. You have towing hooks, 3 kilos each. You can flip fold the seats down so that you can increase the boot space to a bigger space, so that you can carry more of your luggages when you're traveling outside. And yes, Energy also comes with defogger, rear washer wiper, so even if you're going off-road, even if your car is getting dirty, you need not to get water, because you can wipe off your dirt sitting right inside the car. Now the Tiago is just not ending with the Energy. The roof rails, doesn't it look so beautiful, and doesn't it give this car a bigger height? That's what it is all there for. It gives you that rugged look, it gives you that a bit of off-roader car sort of feel, that gives you a feel that you're riding on a high car. And the most important part, if we see this lines, before Tiago used to have circular lines, now they are square color, they're not exactly like circle. So you have this SUV-ish sketch lines all through the car, all black touch-ups on the red, gives that a bit of dual tone finish. And yes, this is a dual tone car because the roof comes with a black finish on top, which gives you a more premium look. Okay, yeah, one more thing. This is a big applause for the auto review teams. They have given us this opportunity to review this car. So I have to say this, you guys need to like and subscribe to this channel. So the more you subscribe, the more you like, we are able to give you, and we are able to reach more of the cars for you people. We are working hard so that आप लोगों को एक entire जानकारी मिले गाड़ियों के बारे में. So it's a must, guys. We need your support. Hit the like button and hit the subscribe for all our latest updates. Keep logged in. Thank you so much, guys.